Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are conducting a mock test on General Agriculture Set 4. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala BSc as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Plant biotechnology involves options: A. Production of valuable products in plants. B. Rapid clonal multiplication of desired genotypes. C. Production of virus-free plants. D. All of these. Correct answer: D. All of these. Question number 2. The most common solidifying agent used in micropropagation is options: A. Agar. B. Dextran. C. Mannan. D. All of these. Correct answer: A. Agar. Question number 3. The culturing of cells in liquid agitated medium is called options: A. Liquid culture. B. Micropropagation. C. Agar culture. D. Suspension culture. Correct answer: D. Suspension culture. Question number 4. Which of the following is best suited method for production of virus-free plants? Options: A. Embryo culture. B. Meristem culture. C. Ovule culture. D. Anther culture. Correct answer: B. Meristem culture. Question number 5. Batch cultures are types of suspension culture where options: A. Medium is continuously replaced. B. Medium is loaded only at the beginning. C. No depletion of medium occurs. D. Cellular wastes are continuously removed and replaced. Correct answer: B. Medium is loaded only at the beginning. Question number 6. Immobilized cell bioreactors are based on options: A. Cells cultures in solid medium. B. Cells cultured in liquid medium. C. Cells entrapped in gels. D. All of these. Correct answer: C. Cells entrapped in gels. Question number 7. All are plant-derived alkaloids except options: A. Menthol. B. Nicotine. C. Quinine. D. Codeine. Correct answer: A. Menthol. Question number 8. Elicitors are molecules that options: A. Induce cell division. B. Stimulate production secondary metabolites. C. Stimulate hairy root formation that accumulates secondary metabolites. D. None of these. Correct answer: B. Stimulate production secondary metabolites. Question number 9. All are plant derived elicitors except options: A. Chitin. B. Pectin. C. Cellulose. D. Pectic acid. Correct answer: A. Chitin. Question number 10. The modification of exogenous compounds by plant cells is called options: A. Biotransformation. B. Bioconversion. C. Both A and B. D. Biophytomodification. Correct answer: C. Both A and B. Question number 11. Artificial seeds are options: A. Seeds produced in laboratory condition. B. Seeds encapsulated in a gel. C. Somatic embryos encapsulated in a gel. D. Zygotic embryos encapsulated in a gel. Correct answer: C. Somatic embryos encapsulated in a gel. Question number 12. Hairy root cultures for secondary metabolite production are induced by transforming plant cells with options: A. Virus. B. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. C. Bacillus thuringiensis. D. Agrobacterium rhizogenus. Correct answer D. Agrobacterium rhizogenus. Question number 13. The variation in vitro culture is called as options A. In vitro variation, B. Mutation, C. Somaclonal variation, D. All of these. Correct answer C. Somaclonal variation. Question number 14. Haploid plants are produced in large numbers by options A. Anther culture, B. Ovary culture, C. Both A and B, D. Embryo culture. Correct answer C. Both A and B. Question number 15. Hybrids are options A. Nuclear hybrids, B. Hybrid plants derived from cross-pollination, C. Cytoplasmic hybrids, D. Cytological hybrids. Correct answer C. Cytoplasmic hybrids. Question number 16. The chemical which is used for controlling the mites is known as options A. Fungicides, B. Nematicides, C. Acaricides, D. Insecticides. Correct answer B. Nematicides. Question number 17. Which of the following elements is not essential element of plants but proves to be beneficial for some plants? Options A. Boron, B. Sodium, C. Iodine, D. Copper. Correct answer B. Sodium. Question number 18. Parthenocarpy occurs in dash. Options A. Peach, B. Mango, C. Jackfruit, D. Banana. Correct answer C. Jackfruit. Question number 19. Water use efficiency is the highest in case of dash. Options A. Border irrigation, B. Drip irrigation, C. Sprinkler irrigation, D. Flood irrigation. Correct answer B. Drip irrigation. Question number 20. Which one of the following plants belongs to family Anacardiaceae? Options A. Papaya, B. Orange, C. Cashew nut, D. None of these. Correct answer C. Cashew nut. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala PSC for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs, containing questions from the important recent topics and mock test aimed at the upcoming exam. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use Futech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. In India, post-harvest losses of fruits and vegetables is dash percentage of the total production. Options A 15 to 20%, B 45 to 50%, C 40 to 45%, D 25 to 30%. Correct answer D 25 to 30%. Question number 22. Citrus tristeza virus is transmitted through dash. Options A aphids, B thrips, C nematodes, D plant hopper. Correct answer D plant hopper. Question number 23. Which one of the pathogens is monocyclic? Options A Ustilago, B Alternaria, C Phytophthora, D Puccinia. Correct answer A Ustilago. Question number 24. Cenocytic mycelium is found in dash. Options A Mastigomycotina, B Deuteromycotina, C Ascomycotina, D none of these. Correct answer C Ascomycotina. Question number 25. Penicillin acts on dash. Options A. Cell wall, B. RNA, C. Cell membrane, D. None of these. Correct answer A. Cell wall. Question number 26. Blue color tag is issued for dash. Options A. Foundation seed, B. Certified seed, C. Nucleus seed, D. Foundation seed. Correct answer B. Certified seed. Question number 27. In medium term storage, material can be stored up to dash years. Options A. 100 years, B. 3 to 5 years, C. 10 to 15 years, D. None of these. Correct answer B. 3 to 5 years. Question number 28. The pyrite is mostly found in dash. Options A. Bihar, B. Rajasthan, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. Correct answer D. Maharashtra. Question number 29. Which is the saturated fatty acid of the following? Options A. Stearic acid, B. Arachidonic acid, C. Oleic acid, D. Linoleic acid. Correct answer A. Stearic acid. Question number 30. Iron is an important component of options A. Ceroheme, B. Ferrodoxin, C. Cytochromes, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy is going to start a 90-day course for 12th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy, use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. A great opportunity to get top rank in 10th level prelims exams. Unacademy is going to start a 30-day crash course for 10th level prelims from 28th of December. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing session in this course. The course will be covered in Malayalam and the notes will be provided in Malayalam. So don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.